welcome back to the channel. Got something a little different in the shop today. It's a 67 Camaro and it's been in the backyard for a while. Needs some rust repair. So we have new quarters, a new rear deck panel, and then new floors. The floors aren't too bad on this, but I gotta clean it all out. So we're gonna strip this thing down and start getting ready to do some metal work. Should be fun. I have never done this before specifically, so it's going to be some learning, which I love to learn. I think learning as much as you can, especially in your field, is important. So every type of metal work I can learn, I want to learn it. So let's get this thing stripped down and get to learning. Alright, got all this vacuumed out. The rear seat is going to get removed, as well as all the windows and everything in the B-pillar area. This side floor looks okay, but it looks like the seat was ripped out at some point and welded in. We do have both side complete floors for it, so that side has some holes in it, obviously. So we're just going to get everything down to the point where we can see what's needed, and then pick the best route from there. So let's get the rear seat pulled out real quick, and then we'll start moving on getting the metal work ready. Alright, got the rear seat all pulled out. It's looking like somebody made a patch panel here and here. So we're going to have to remove those as well. Obviously, with the new floor pans, we won't be needing to have those anyways. So yeah, we got to figure that out. Let's pull these windows real quick, side panels, and then it's pretty much down to bare metal. Oh, that side kind of sucked. Didn't know what I was doing, but got it all apart. This side should go a lot smoother now. Let's get it out. Alright, we got this thing all stripped down the middle. There might be a few little things we gotta play with, but now we just gotta figure out where to start and what to start cutting. Alright, we got a whole bunch of new sheet metal. And looks like that is the driver's side quarter panel. So we're gonna get all these boxes, figure out what's in each one, and then we'll pick one to start with. So this is the rear speaker shelf panel. I assumed it was less than this, and it's the whole thing, which is awesome because somebody decided to hack all this up. So we'll be able to replace all of it, which is pretty cool. All right, we got both the floor pans left and right. So that's those. All right, so that is the right-hand quarter. I'm gonna leave it wrapped up because I can't just do all this at once. So yeah, this left-hand quarter was not wrapped very well, which is kind of, hopefully it's not damaged. I guess we'll find out when we take it apart, but I think we're going to start with the rear speaker panel. And that way we can get all this fixed back here. The speaker panel mounts to this hinge here in this spot and then along the side here, but it does not mount to the quarter panel, so it's not like something we have to do at the same time. So I figured that's what we're going to start with, and then that will help straighten this up a little bit, and then we'll knock out the floors or quarters. I'm going to start getting everything cleaned up with the wire wheels so I can see where the spot welds are so I can drill them out. All right, we can now see all of the spot welds, so we're gonna start drilling them out. Alright, so we got all of the tack welds, spot welds loose. So now there's a couple spot welds underneath the hinge here. To make it easy though, I am just going to cut real quick around, and then I'll drill that out after the panel's removed. And that should be the panel. The rear panel fits nice. Got a little bit of adjustment we got to do to weld it together, but not much. So we got to get this all cleaned up. That way we can sink it all back in where it's supposed to go, and we have a surface to weld on since there's paint on it. So it's pretty sweet how on all these older cars you can buy all new sheet metal. It'd be pretty hard to match some of these body lines. That's pretty cool. That pretty much wraps up the day here. So we will get back to doing this work tomorrow. But thanks for watching.